So, since we're talking about comedy and stuff,
Yep.
uh, Chris Rock hosted Saturday Night Live this weekend. I thought I
Hmm.
sent you a clip.
Yes. You want me
Talking
to play
about Luigi, and they was talking about like the healthcare
it?
industry, and was talking about how the guy, that's unfortunate. That's what happens, and all of this stuff. And he has a family, he has kids, da, 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 and he said, "Well, sometimes drug dealers get killed."
Hold on, I'm gonna play it. Hold on, I'm gonna play it in a
Play it
second.
for, because I mean,
Yeah.
it was so good. It was so good. I can't tell y'all the last time I laughed this hard at Chris Rock.
Hold on, I'm finna give me a second. Actually, I'm on to pause.
Luigi. We got Luigi, and that's good. I really feel sorry for the family. I mean, everybody's fixated on how good looking this guy looks. If he looked like Jonah Hill, no one would care. They'd already given him the chair already. Be dead, okay? But he actually killed a man, a man with a family, a man with kids, man. I mean, I have condolences. I'm gonna have real condolences for, the healthcare CEO. I mean, this is a real person. But you also gotta go, sometimes drug dealers get shot. I mean, you seen The Wire, right?
You seen The Wire, right?
Listen, Chris Rock.
Hey, look. All right, let's talk about Luigi, man. Luigi and let me get his pronunciation correct because I had it written down.
Isn't it Mangione?
Mangione, yes, Luigi Mangione.
And listen, I only know because of Chuck Mangione, because of King of the Hill.
the biggest King of the Hill fan is my co-host.
Yes. Man,
so this whole thing is, man. We got to get into 2025, and maybe 2025 is gonna be even worse. But like 2024, where two rich people kill each other, is crazy. Because Mangione had bread, he could have got his back
bread, but he forfeited his trust because he went to jail.
Oh, he did?
Yo, so apparently, the grandmother left them all this money, and so
family money, right?
Like family money. And so ultimately, because the only way that they wouldn't get their inheritance is because somebody, if you went to jail. And so
for anything.
Yeah, it was, if you went to jail, you forfeited that.
What did he go to jail for though?
The nigga killed the healthcare person.
Oh, I thought you were talking about before, like he forfeited it before.
I'm like,
no. But I'm saying, but they were talking about, I know all these things are no. I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
But they were saying before he got mad because he had a bad back and he couldn't get medical. I was like, but he had money to get medical care. I'm trying to figure out.
No, it was supposed to be something about, it wasn't a bad
and back. His mom, and that was the whole thing they said about his mom.
Somebody else.
They had money for all this stuff, is what I'm saying. It's not like they were a middle class family that was trying to put together bills.
Even with that, that it just gets so expensive, and paying out of pocket for things that should be affordable and accessible to us, regardless of how much or how less you have, it is really sad and crazy. And somebody was talking about pulling the numbers of United Healthcare, and they was just saying it was something in the double.
Yeah, they have 32% declines on the average of any research company, 17%. Yeah, and they did 32% fail, and they use AI to decline people's claims.
Yeah, and something happened even with I have Aetna, right? When I used to have Aetna through Nordstrom, it was bomb. I don't recall ever having a copay. Nordstrom paid a high percentage into it for us, and that's the thing. Depending on what you pay out of pocket, goes back. It's based off of what your company is contributing, and a lot of these companies are not honest about that. And that's the messed up part. So where I had to get, I got like a CT scan at the beginning of this year, and that's the worst thing to have to do is when that shit reset. Why is it? Is it a reset every year, and we gotta pay into it so much every year until y'all start covering us? I think that's some bullshit. It's a scam, whatever. So mind you, so I have been trying so hard not to get injured or do anything that is out of the basic things. My thumb is sprained right now. I sprained my thumb in Pilates last week. I'm not going to the doctor because I'm like, I'm not paying y'all to tell me that it's sprained. For y'all to do an x-ray. I'm not doing it. So I had to get a scan, insurance start over. I had to pay like $500 or $600 out of pocket for that.
Hey, no, they had way more money. Hold on. Let me read this quote from his dad became a millionaire in 1995.
Okay.
Nick Mangione died in 2008. Leaving. Okay. So no, his grandfather was reportedly born. Hold on. So it says here, I'm choosing. I was like, okay. He said I didn't have two nickels to rub together. When my father died when I was 11, yet I still became a millionaire. Mangione family patriarch Nick Mangione Sr. told the Baltimore Sun back in 1995. What other country can he do that in? None of here. Nick Mangione was reportedly born to an illiterate father in Baltimore's Little Italy before the Second World War II. So this is grandfather. Nick Mangione died in 2008, leaving behind 37 grandchildren, including Luigi Mangione. The family did well enough that they were able to establish a family philanthropic foundation which donated to the Greater Baltimore Medical Center and numerous other hospitals with a total of $1 million. Greater Baltimore Medical Center even has a hospital ward named after the Mangiones, the Banner reported. So that's what I'm saying. Like, this is weird, man. Like, dude, he has a wing of a hospital named after his family. It ain't about no insurance money, man. That's why I think it's a bigger conspiracy, man. I'm going back to the wife. We need to find out if they got text messages.
That because okay, so also the other thing that was weird about this, and I don't
look here allegedly before because
that
sounds
no. Listen, I just told you my conspiracy theory about what happened at Jamie Foxx party. I was like, yo, what if that was Diddy kids that ran up on him and hit him with that glass and had him busted up where he getting stitches? Like that's weird as fuck. But also the whole thing. But listen, like they said, them people, regardless of how you see them or how you don't see them, like he should have been with a bodyguard. That was the thing that guy was supposed to be with a bodyguard. Where was his people?
I'm just and now he has enough money to do some good surveillance, but I'm like, dude, like, how do I know? Because I was joking on Just Posted, and I was like, how do you know that what time I go get my sausage biscuit in the morning? And what time I'm exactly gonna leave out my hotel to be able to know to be there?
Well, because he was going to that conference to speak.
Right, but but you know exactly when, because he walked up 5 minutes, because he had been around, I guess, for a couple of hours, but he walked up 5 minutes before he walked out.
Yeah.
How would you know that I'm getting ready to come down and get my sausage biscuit? That I go get it?
Like they said, somebody could have tipped him off, or he just could have just been in waiting and just was like,
he could have been in waiting. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's pretty goddamn lucky though. But he had money, so I'm trying to figure out what is his real motive. It may not be the wife, but I don't think it's just simply, and I don't think he's a Robin Hood character either. Like people are like trying to give him this Robin Hood-esque type of thing.
I'm not giving that.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck either way. Like, to be honest with you, but because like as Chris Rock eloquently said, drug dealers die every day. B, you know, like. We don't do this for none of these kids in the city and nothing like that. Like, but
like I said, like y'all quick to have, because there was conversations about the whole thing with the anesthesia, like in the, like different, they not gonna pay, they only gonna pay for a certain amount. And I'm just like, how, like this doesn't make sense. So there is something bigger going on here. Absolutely. It is more than what we, once they really get to him and he really starts talking, it's gonna be something crazy. Or what if that was his lover?
Look here, I'm not. It's probably some. It's at the same time. It could be just something simple that he was tripping out too. So like it sometimes it don't be as complicated as we want to make it as well. So I'm not
I
gonna
know, but that be suck. You be like, damn, it's really that simple. They be like, yeah, I need the drama. Where's
Well,
the drama?
sometimes it be that simple, man. Sometimes it be that simple.
Man.
Sometimes it be that simple.
It could
It just
all be so simple.
Just like when we talk about Pac got killed, he just happened to drive past Orlando and them on the way to the club. There he go. They had been driving around looking for him for hours. And he just happened to pass you. Like, damn.
Yeah.
Like, there he goes. Like, even though there's more conspiracy behind it, but I'm just saying the idea of like he wasn't waiting and waiting.
Hey y'all, if y'all like what y'all see here on Everyone Needs an Aquarius, be sure to like, subscribe, and share our podcast with your friends because we got all the tea. And if you want to check out more stuff from us, be sure to hit that button right there on the right side so you can see other stuff and again share it with everybody.